Good afternoon, children. So, the continuation of carbonyl compounds, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, which I have started yesterday, and yesterday I have given you the contents of aldehydes and ketones, isn't it? Put the preparation, physical properties and some of the chemical properties also I have discussed yesterday. The headings I have given, and I have started with the preparation, totally 6 preparation, out of which 3 preparations I have done. The first preparation is from alcohols I have done for you, and from acids I have done, and from acid chlorides I have done, and remaining full preparations we will see now. Okay, so we will start with the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Preparations of aldehydes and ketones we will start. Okay, so okay. So, preparation, the continuation, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So, we will start with the preparation of, we will start with the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Under the preparation of aldehydes and ketones, yesterday I have done 3 preparations. The first preparation is from alcohols, which I have done yesterday. Second preparation is from acids, and third preparation is from acid chloride. All these 3 preparations I have done yesterday, isn't it? Got over, completed yesterday, and today the remaining preparations we will see. What are all the remaining preparations? The fourth method of preparation is ozonolysis method, that is from alkenes we have to prepare. Then 7th one from alkynes by hydration method. Sixth, then 7th method of preparation, which we 4, 5 and then 6th method of preparation. 6th method of preparation is by using the cyano groups. Okay, so these are the various preparations of aldehydes and ketones, and apart from this we have to study few naming reactions that is meant for the preparation of only aldehyde. Preparation of only aldehydes. So, under the preparation of only aldehydes, we have 2 reactions. The first reaction is called as Stephen's reaction. The second one by using diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So, dibol, by using dibol, this is for the preparation of only the aldehydes. And then we have to study about today the preparations of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. The preparations of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. For the aromatic aldehydes to prepare, the first method is by the oxidation method. The second method is by oxidation method, and the second method is by Etort's reaction. And third method is by using Gattermann-Koch reaction. The reaction name is Gattermann-Koch reaction. And the last reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction, and the last reaction is called as the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So, what are all the methods of preparations we have? Again we will revise the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Totally we have 6 methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Under the 6 methods of preparation, the first method of preparation is from alcohols we have to prepare. From alcohols we have to prepare. Second one is from acids we have to prepare, and from acid chloride. These 3 methods we have completed yesterday, and today we have to start with the 6th Fourth method of preparation from alkenes, ozonolysis, and the fifth method of preparation which we have is from alkanes by hydration method, and the sixth method of preparation is the cyano group we have to see. And apart from that, we have the preparation of only aldehydes. The naming reaction, the first naming reaction is called as a Stephen's reaction, and second naming reaction is called as what? Dibol's reaction. Reaction name Dibol கிடையாது, நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய reagent name வந்து Dibol. Dibol is a catalyst or otherwise it is a reagent. Okay, then preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones, we have oxidation reaction, we have Etox reaction, Gatterman-Koch reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So today all the reactions we have to see. Okay, now we will start with the fourth reaction, which is from alkenes. The reaction is called as ozonolysis reaction. Okay, so this is what? Reaction number 4. Number மாத்தி போட்டுருக்கேன். So reaction number 4 is ozonolysis, reaction number 5 is alkanes, and reaction number 6 is by using the cyano groups. So now we will start with reaction number 4, that is from alkenes. The reaction is called as ozonolysis reaction. It is called as ozonolysis. Okay, so first alkenes will take CH2 double bond CH2. So CH2 double bond CH2 on treatment with ozone, that is called as O3, on treatment with that of an ozone, then it gives rise to the formation of CH2 O3, no? So we can write like this. Totally how many oxygen? 1, 2, 3 oxygen. So this oxygen cleaves the pi bond that exists between carbon and carbon. So it's a pi bond that exists between carbon and carbon. So this ozone will goes and lyses. So ozonolysis, isn't it? So as a result, what happens? You will be getting CH2 bond O bond CH2 bond O bond O bond CH2 you are getting. Now when this is called as what? Ozonide. This ozonide on further treatment with zinc and water, on mixing with zinc and water, now cleavage the cleavage will take place in this manner. So the cleavage will take place in this manner, and as a result, what is the product you will get? CH2, I can write it as HCH, and then this O will combine here, and similarly HCHO, upper 2 times of formaldehyde plus one oxygen. This oxygen combines with this water and forms H2O2, which is called as hydrogen peroxide. So aldehyde enna aiduchu? Here we have got aldehyde. What is the name of this aldehyde? Formaldehyde. This is called as what? Formaldehyde, the first reaction. Now coming to the second reaction, we will see now. The second reaction will take, an example eduthakalam, second reaction CH3 CH double bond CH bond CH3. So lengthy reaction we will take on treatment with ozone. The lysis will take place where there is an unsaturation, where the double bond is present, there the lysis will be taking, and as a result, what happens when the bond gets cleaved? Then it gives rise to the formation of CH3 bond CH, and similarly CH3 bond CH. This you can write like this also. Correct? But now what will happen? Oxygen, 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, and 3 oxygen, like this it will be getting formed. Now this compound is called as what? The compound so formed is called as ozonide. So the compound so formed is ozonide. Now this ozonide on further treatment with that of zinc and water, what will happen? You will get CH3 CHO, similarly CH3 CHO, aldehydes are getting from 2 times of CH3 CHO, that is acetaldehyde, and this oxygen combines with this water, and as a result it gave rise to the formation of H2O2. Can you understand this reaction? illa indha arrow lam potu confused ah iruka? Shall I write again for you so that it will be easy? என்ன ஆகும்னு சொன்னேன்னா, the ozone will go and cleaves where there is an unsaturation. pi bond இருக்கக்கூடிய இடத்துல the cleavage will takes place. அப்படி cleavage நடக்கும்போது the cleavage happens in this manner, that is CH bond CH3, similarly CH3 bond CH. இப்படி cleavage நடந்தாச்சு. Then what we have? 3 oxygen, 1 2 like this, 3 oxygen, and now this has to be treated with what? It has to be treated with zinc and water. Zinc and water. Now what happens when it is treated with zinc and water? The cleavage will happen like this. The cleavage will happen like this. So due to the cleavage, what you are getting? CH3 CHO, here also CH3 CHO, up 2 times of CH3 CHO plus water in the H2O order. This oxygen will get combined, and as a result you are getting hydrogen peroxide to be formed. This is second. Idile innoru ketone, idu formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde. Both we have prepared for aldehydes. Now we have to go for what? We have to go for ketone. So ketone ku varumbodhu the reactant will be, in a reactant we can take CH3 CH double bond C bond CH3 bond CH3 with ozone. What is the name of this compound? Name of the compound is what? Name of the compound will be 1 2 3 4. Similarly 1 2 3 4. Name of the compound enna ketona, first numbering we have to give. Number kudutha odane we have to count the parent hydrocarbon, long chain carbon atom, 1 2 3 4. So then it will be but, and then you have to check whether it is a saturated or unsaturated, isn't it? Primary suffix appa unsaturated, double bond is present, so therefore it is ene. Where the double bond is present, adoda numbering ku least number we have to take. So but 2 ene, but 2 ene. Adhe 2 position la what is present? Methyl group is present. So appa 2 hyphen methyl but 2 ene will be the name of this compound. 2 methyl but 2 ene potache. On treatment with that of ozone, where there is a double bond, there the cleavage will takes place, isn't it? Now we will write, that is CH3. Now CH3 bond CH, then similarly C bond CH3 bond CH3, like this it appears, isn't it? So inge dana cleavage nadadhu. So CH3 CH I have written, CH3 C bond CH3 I have written, and oxygen will be 3, 1 2 like this. Now you cleave the bond. This has to be treated with what? It has to be treated with zinc and water. So on treatment with that of zinc and water, so cleavage will take place like this. What is the product? CH3CHO, correct? The product is CH3CHO, one product, plus what is the another product? CH3COCH3, CH3 nalla gavanichuka, CH3, this C and this O, so CO bond CH3. So now you got acetone or otherwise ketone to be formed, plus this oxygen combines with this water and forms H2O2, which is called as hydrogen peroxide, and this is called as aldehyde or acetaldehyde. So 3 reaction for ozonolysis you have to write. First 2 reactions are meant for the preparation of aldehyde, and the last reaction is meant for the preparation of ketone as well as for the aldehydes. So totally 3 steps, 3 methods you have to write for ozonolysis. So what is the first reaction? We have taken ethene. This is called as what? Name of the compound is ethene. And now what is the name of this compound? 1 2 numbering you see, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So now parent hydrocarbon, how many parent hydrocarbons are there? 1 2 3 4 parent hydrocarbon, 4 in the way we know, that is but. Then you have to check whether it is a saturated or unsaturated. Throughout single bond irundha it is saturated, but double bond is present, so therefore it is unsaturated. If double bond is present, then we have to write ene. isn't it? So butene, numbering kodukano, where the double bond is present, the least number we have to take towards the second carbon, so therefore it is 2-butene. So but-2-ene sollalam, or otherwise we can write 2 or hyphen put butene, whatsoever we can write, but this is exact correct. So but-2-ene on treatment with that of ozone, it gives rise to the formation of ozonoid. So the name of the compound is what? Ozonoid, which is an intermediate compound. This ozonoid on further treatment with that of zinc and water, then it gives rise to the formation of aldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. And similarly here 2-methyl but-2-ene on ozonolysis, on adding with that of the ozone, then it gives rise to the formation of ozonoid. This ozonoid on further treatment with that of zinc and water, it gives rise to the formation of aldehydes and ketones. So this is the fourth method of preparation, that is by ozonolysis method. Ozonolysis method. Now coming to, so we will pass it on to the next reaction. I hope you can understand, isn't it? Alkenes la ozonolysis la first, second and third reactions. Now we pass it on to the fifth one, is by hydration method. The fifth reaction is dehydration from alkynes. We can prepare from alkynes. We'll see now. Fifth method from alkynes. From alkynes by hydration. What is meant by hydration? Addition of water is called as hydration. Addition of hydration means what? Hydration na unnu paadi perukku theriyadu, that is hydration na addition of water. Addition of water. Now see, we take unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is say for example CH triple bond CH. Alkynes na triple bond should be there because it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkynes on hydration means mixing with that of water in the presence of hydrating mixture. Hydrating mixture is dilute sulfuric acid which is mixed with that of mercuric sulfate. On mixing it with that of mercuric sulfate. And similarly one more example we will take, that is CH3C triple bond CH na edukren. CH3C triple bond CH on treatment with that of water. இப்போ இங்கே ஹைட்ரஜன் கவுண்டிங் கரெக்டாக இருக்காங்கிறத நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும். எப்படி செக் பண்ணணும்? இப்போ ட்ரிபிள் பாண்ட் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னாவே இந்த ஃபார்முலா என்னது? CnH2n-2 it becomes. கரெக்டா? அப்போ நம்பர் ஆஃப் கார்பன் ஆட்டம் how many? 1 2 3 கார்பன் ஆட்டம். அப்போ C3H2 into 3 minus 2. So C3H 2 3s are 6 minus 2. அப்போ C3 means number of hydrogen should be 4. இப்போ இங்கே 4 வந்திருக்கா? Here 3 plus 1 4 hydrogens have written. So therefore hydrogen split பண்ணியிருக்கிறது it is correct. So like this you have to confirm. ரஃப் பண்ணி கால்குலேட் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். கார்பன் 3 இருந்ததுன்னா how many number of hydrogenங்கிறது you must know. Now this again on treatment with that of dilute sulfuric acid mixing it with that of mercuric sulfate on treatment with that of mercuric sulfate. Now what happens is actually this water will get splits up into H bond OH. Now this OH will combines with this carbon and this hydrogen will goes and combines here. So what will be the product now? CH3 bond C bond OH. Here CH code, this hydrogen combines, so CH2. So automatically the triple bond will get reduced to double bond. Again this compound is what? Unstable in nature. Double bond CH2 which is unstable in nature, unstable compound. So the name of this compound is enol. Now this enol will undergo a rearrangement process. It will undergo what? Rearrangement process. 11th la padichirpom. It's a rearrangement process. This also important reaction. Rearrangement process. அந்த rearrangement process க்கு பேர் இருக்கு. அந்த rearrangement process க்கு பேர் என்னன்னா keto-enol tautomerism. What is that called? Examல கேட்பாங்க. Write keto-enol tautomerism. They'll ask you in the exam. Adena keto-enol tautomerism onnume illa. So what happens is actually this hydrogen will get shift here, rearrange or inga oxygen oda irukkude hydrogen, it goes here, that's all. Appo what will be the product? CH3CO bond CH3 avladha. CH3, this hydrogen has got shifted here, so automatically it becomes CO, then CH2 becomes CH3. இப்போ இங்கே ஹைட்ரஜன் இங்கேருந்து இங்கே ஷிஃப்ட் ஆன உடனே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக என்ன அது இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய டபுள் பாண்ட் will get reduced to a single bond. எப்படி இங்கே ட்ரிபிள் பாண்ட் கூட ஹைட்ரஜனோ OHO கம்பைன் ஆன உடனே has got reduced to a double bond. Same as like that, in order to satisfy the valency of the carbon, the double bond has got reduced to a single bond. Okay, so this is called as what? Keto-enol tautomerism. Similarly, here also we can write water molecule. This is simple. This is complex. First I have written this one here, and now we can split this. How we can split? H bond OH. Now this hydrogen combines here, and this OH will be getting combined here. So what will be the product? CH2 CHOH. Like this only, no? CH oda this hydrogen combines, so CH2, CH oda this OH combines and CHOH. So this triple bond will get reduced to a double bond or unstable compound. Now again here it has to undergo the rearrangement process, tautomerism rearrangement process. So when it undergoes rearrangement, what happens is actually this hydrogen will get shift towards this carbon. So as a result you will get CH3, double bond reduced to a single bond, CHO, CHO. Name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Name of the compound is called as acetaldehyde. So it gives rise to the formation of acetaldehyde. So apart from alkynes aldehydes prepare pannittom, ketones also we have prepared. This is what? This is called as acetone or otherwise ketone appdin solrom. So fifth method of preparation from alkanes, how we are preparing? We are taking alkynes la name kudukala illaya. What is the name of this compound? This is ethine, acetylene, or otherwise it is ethine. What is this name of this compound? How many number of carbon atom is present? 3. If it is 3, then it will be prop. Whether it is a saturated or unsaturated, single bond irundha unsaturated, but triple bond irukku appa, so single bond irundha saturated, triple bond irukku appa unsaturated. So triple bond irundha it should be YNE will be the suffix. Where it is present, first, second, third. So first carbon la triple bond irukku, prop 1 wine. So name of this compound is propyne. Propyne. Name of the compound is propyne. 1 propyne la prop 1 ine. So learning me 1 propyne appdinu eludunana everything is same. Understood? This is alkynes. So from alkynes we have to prepare. So take down in your classwork notebook, very very important. All these reactions are very very important. Exam they will ask you write the hydrating mixture. What is the hydrating mixture? Which mixture is widely used in the hydration of unsaturated hydrocarbon? The hydrating mixtures of dilute hydrochloric and mercuric sulfate are widely used as the hydrating mixtures. That is also very very important. Now I hope you can understand this. Now coming to the sixth reaction. Sixth reaction is from cyano group. Sixth reaction is from cyano group. We'll write. Adho konja lengthy reaction. Cyano group. Listen carefully how I am writing. So fifth I have done. Sixth reaction is from cyano group. Now listen to this cyano group. So let us take hydrogen cyanide. Let us take what? Hydrogen cyanide, HCN, C triple bond N, hydrogen cyanide. This hydrogen cyanide on treatment with CH3MgBr. This is called as Grignard's reagent. This is called as what? Grignard's. This is called as Grignard's reagent, and HC triple bond N is called as hydrogen cyanide. புக்கில் இல்லை நேம் எல்லாம், அதனால தான் நான் எல்லாமே எழுதி போட்டுட்ருக்கேன். எல்லா நேமும் நீ எழுதணுன்றதுனால தான், தெரிஞ்சுக்கணுங்கிறதுனால, படிக்கிறதுக்கு அப்போ தான் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் வை ஐம் ரைட்டிங் எவ்ரிதிங் ஆன் த போர்ட். ஸோ Grignard's reagent. Now what happens is actually this methyl group will be attracted towards this carbon because of the breaking down of the pi bond, and as a result this carbon assumes partially positive and this nitrogen assumes partially negative due to the breaking of this the bond. The first bond பேர் pi bond, நம்ம ஏற்கனவே அதெல்லாம் தெரியும், sp2 hybridization. So pi bond break ஆகிறதுனால carbon assumes partially positive and partially negative charge. So this CH3 will goes and combines with this carbon. So what will be the product now? H bond C bond CH3, then automatically it just breaks to a double bond N bond Mg Br. Correct? Which is an unstable compound again. This unstable compound on mixing with 2 molecules of water, இப்போ நான் இந்த வாட்டர் மாலிகுலை எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறேன் உனக்கு புரியணுங்கிறதுனால நான் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுறேன். எப்படின்னா O bond H and similarly bond H, similarly here also O bond H and similarly here also O bond H. Now I am splitting. Now see what's happening. This CH3 and this CH and this O will get combines and form CH3 CHO. முதல்ல aldehyde problem solved. So it forms what? CH3 CHO. It forms CH3 CHO plus. இப்போ by productல எழுதணும், இங்கெல்லாம் எழுதிட்டு வரணும். So this nitrogen will combines with this 3 hydrogen and forms NH3. இப்போ nitrogen பிரச்சனை முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு. Balance என்ன இருக்கு? MgBr and then this OH will get combines and forms magnesium Br OH. So it gives rise to the formation of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, so aldehyde oda preparation ஒரு method. இப்போ நம்ம ketoneக்கும் same as like that we have to write for what? Ketone. என்ன எழுதிருக்கீங்க? Hydrogen cyanide on treatment with Grignard's reagent, then it give rise to the formation of an intermediate compound plus water molecule. We have to add 2 molecules of water. Water I have splitted like this. வாட்டரை நான் தனியாக இப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அங்கே CH3 CH, this O will combines and forms acetaldehyde plus N, and then these 3 hydrogen will combines and forms NH3, and then Mg will combines with this Br, and then this OH will combines with this magnesium. So Mg Br and then OH. So this is the first method. Now idile we have the second method. Let me write here. That is methyl cyanide we can take. What we can take? We can take methyl cyanide. That is, listen, CH3 C triple bond N on, this is called as what? Methyl cyanide on treatment with that of Grignard's reagent CH3 Mg Br. On treatment with that of the Grignard's reagent, what will happen now? This CH3 will be getting attached towards this carbon. What is the product? CH3 bond C bond CH3. This becomes double bond. Triple bond reduced to a double bond N bond Mg Br. This becomes unstable. This has to be mixed with 2 times of water molecule, 2 moles of water. So the water molecule we can split, no? Simpler H H and then O H H, like this. It has been splitted. The water molecules has got split, isn't it? Now what happens? This CH3, this CH3, this C and this O will get combines and forms what? first product CH3, this CH3 I have written, then bond C, then this oxygen bond this CH3, first product kadachaachu, plus this nitrogen with this 3 hydrogen and forms NH3, plus Mg, this Br, and then this OH will compound here. So name of this compound is what? Acetone. So we got acetone to be formed. So this is the sixth method of preparation which has been prepared from cyano group. So that also have written. Okay. Now preparation of aldehydes we have Stephen's reaction. Naming reaction, very very important reaction. We will pass it on to preparation of only aldehydes. Now preparation of only aldehydes. First naming reaction is Stephen's reaction. For Stephen's reaction, you take hydrogen cyanide, same as like this, you take hydrogen cyanide, and this hydrogen cyanide has to be treated with the 2 molecules of hydrogen in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. The reagent Stephen's reaction stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Now what happens is actually this hydrogen will get splits up into H bond H. One of the hydrogen combines with this carbon, the another hydrogen combines with this nitrogen. So as a result, what is the product now? CH2, correct dane? CH2 double bond NH. So this is called as imine. This I split panni eduthalam appdin pathina anga eppadi kuduthirukangalo like same as like that we can write no for this imine, that is, now I can write this imine. How to write this imine? See, CH double bond NH, adukku badal nanu C, already hydrogen is there, one more hydrogen is getting added here, double bond gets breaks here, and this nitrogen with this hydrogen, this is called as what? Imine. What I got it was called as what? We are calling it as imine, and then this imine on further treatment with the hydronium ion, H3O plus is called as what? H3O plus is called as hydronium ion. On treatment with this hydronium ion, then it gave rise to the formation of the split hydronium ion H, 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 O. Correct? Hydronium ion can be split like this. So, I split CH2 plus 1 hydrogen becomes CH3. Then what should form? Hanga ஒரே ஒரு carbon தான் இருக்கு, அப்ப நம்ம CH3 போட முடியாது இல்லையா? So you can write H, CH, then this O plus nitrogen with 1, 2, 3 இல்லையா? Nitrogen with H, CHO. So அப்ப இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனும் இருக்கும், அப்ப NHHHH. So NH4 plus. So திரும்ப ஒரு வாட்டி நான் இந்த ரியாக்ஷன் எழுதுறேன், இப்போ உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும் பாருப்ப. So what is the condition here? So we have to take hydrogen cyanide. What is the name of this compound? Hydrogen cyanide எடுத்தோம். On treatment with that of hydrogen in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, this hydrogen combines with this carbon and this hydrogen combines with this nitrogen. அப்ப what will be the product? இருக்கிறது அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதா. H bond C. To that C, this hydrogen has got added hydrogen, then nitrogen is there. To that nitrogen, this hydrogen has got added. So appa enna agum, triple bond will get reduced to double bond. This compound is called as imine. Now this imine has to be treated with hydronium ion. H3O plus is called as hydronium ion. Apdi hydronium ion oda treat panna udane you will get HCH and this O will combines here. Appo what is the product? HCHO nu sollakodiya formaldehyde plus N, here 3 plus 1 4. Appo N, 3 hydrogen plus 1 hydrogen becomes NH4. This is ammonium ion. Radicals thaniya form agum and this is called as what? Formaldehyde. Ipo idhe mari methyl cyanide vechu we can write the reaction easy ah. Eppadi methyl cyanide vechu reaction eduthanom? Listen. can write by using methyl cyanide. So you take CH3 C triple bond N on treatment with hydrogen in the presence of stannous chloride. Tin, SN is tin, stannous chloride with hydrochloric acid. Then what will happen? This hydrogen combines with this carbon, this hydrogen combines with this nitrogen. So what will be the product? CH3 single bond CH double bond NH. This is called as imine. Now take out this imine and then we have to treat it with H3O plus ions. So on treatment with what? H3O plus ions. So when it is being treated with H3O plus ions, on treatment with H3O plus ions, what will happen? CH3 CH and then this O will combine here. So what will be the product? CH3 CH then this O plus NH kuda oru 3 hydrogen, so therefore it becomes NH4. So this is called as what? Acetaldehyde. This is called as acetaldehyde. This is called as what? Acetaldehyde. So formation of acetaldehyde. This is Stephen's reaction. Stephen's reaction kadutha irukkiradha Diebold reaction solrom. Diebold reagent use panni or reaction. See, Diebol has a tendency of, Diebol அப்படிங்கிறது it is a kind of reducing agent. Diebol full form என்னன்னா di-isobutyl aluminum hydride. See, this Diebol when you take, it is a reducing agent. This reducing agent reduces esters. Esters means COOR. Esters to aldehyde. வெறும் டைபால் தான் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா டைபால் மட்டும் இல்லை, டைபாலோட கூட சேர்ந்து வேரியஸ் அதர் ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. லித்தியம் அலுமினியம் ஹைட்ரைடு இருக்குது, சோடியம் போரோ ஹைட்ரைட்ஸ் இருக்குது. இதெல்லாமும் ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட்ஸ். ஆனால் இந்த ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட்ஸ் வில் ரெடியூசஸ் தி எஸ்டர்ஸ் டு ஆல்கஹால்ஸ். ஆனால் ஆல்டிஹைடாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணக்கூடியது ஒன்லி டைபால். இதுவும் ரெடியூசிங் ஏஜென்ட் தான். ஆனால் டைபால் ஒன்லி ஹேஸ் அ டெண்டன்சி ஆஃப் கன்வெர்ட்டிங் வாட்? Tendency of converting this esters into aldehyde, whereas lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride and all will convert this esters into alcohol. அதுதான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இப்போ எஸ்டர்ஸ் எழுதுவோமா? So we will write that is CH3 CH2 COO CH2 CH3. This is ester இல்லையா? இது ஒரு எஸ்டர், 5 carbon compound கொண்ட ester அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Now this ester on treatment with Diebol with water, it gives rise to the formation of CH3 CH C2H5 bond CHO. 5 carbons வருதா? 1 2 3 4 5 carbons வருது. இங்கே 2 3 4 5. So aldehyde form ஆச்சு, aldehydes form ஆச்சு. So what is this meaning? This Diebol has a tendency of converting these esters into aldehydes. Has a tendency of converting these esters into aldehyde. நான் 5 carbon compound கொண்ட esters எடுத்தேன், அந்த Diebol-ஓட water-ஓட mix பண்ணேன், then it gave rise to the formation of what? It gave rise to the formation of aldehydes. இது ஒரு simple reaction. Example கேட்பாங்க Diebol, what is the application of Diebol? What is the use of Diebol? So Diebol is a powerful reducing agent which is isobutyl aluminum hydride, which has a tendency of reducing the esters to aldehydes. So lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride can also be used as a reducing agent, but it has a tendency of reducing the esters into alcohols. Esters alcohol convert பண்ணக்கூடியதா இந்த lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride ஓட work. That is Diebol alone will directly convert the esters into that of an aldehydes. So this also I have done. Now we go for the preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Last methods of preparation, or 4 method of preparation இருக்கு. That also we will finish it off now. that is preparation of aromatic aldehydes. Preparation of aromatic aldehydes, the first method is the oxidation method. First method is what? Oxidation method. So preparation of aromatic aldehydes. So for this I have to take benzene ring, aromatic aldehyde liye anala benzene ring drop pannanom, CH3. This is called as toluene. Toluene on treatment with acetic anhydride. What is the formula of acetic anhydride? CH3CO bond O bond CO bond CH3. On treatment with acetic anhydride in the presence of oxidizing agent, that is CrO3. Oxidizing agent na use pannave automatically enna agum, this has to be treated with 2 times of oxygen plus acetic anhydride. This compound is called as what? Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. And CrO3 is an oxidizing agent. CrO3 is called as what? Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Now listen carefully, it's a lengthy structure. In the structure drop pannum paru. So listen to the structure. Book la kudukala, director reaction kuduthirukanga. So na split panni unakku I am writing the reaction. Listen carefully. So now this oxygen I am splitting as O bond O split pannite. From here I am taking 2 hydrogen and this oxygen will combines, and first enakku water molecule remove plus water remove ayiduchu illaya. Remaining what I have is benzene ring, then CH. ஏன்னா H2 போயிடுச்சு இல்லையா, அப்போ வெறும் CH மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது. CH. Now listen, CH and then this O and this O is there. எப்படி எழுதுறேன் பாரு, combined with this O and this O. Remaining what I have? CO, then CH3, then this CO, CH3 கிடைச்சாச்சு. ப்ராடக்ட் தெரியறதா நான் என்ன எழுதியிருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, this is called as benzalidine diacetate. This is name of the compound is benzalidine diacetate compound formed. So it gave rise to the formation of benzalidine diacetate. Okay, so it gave rise to the formation of benzalidine diacetate. Now this benzalidine diacetate so formed has to be treated with water, that has to be split as H bond OH. இப்படி நான் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணியாச்சு. எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? aromatic aldehydes நான் prepare பண்ணணும். அப்போ aromatic aldehyde என்னது? This benzene ring is needed, then this CH and then this O will go and combines. So அப்போ what is the product? Benzene ring with CHO. This is called as what? Benzaldehyde is getting formed. Benzaldehyde plus என்னென்ன ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கு? CH3COO 1H, CH3COO another H. So CH3COOH எத்தனை times? 2 times. So aromatic aldehydes has been prepared. Aromatic aldehyde benzaldehyde has been prepared by the oxidation method by using acetic anhydride and oxygen. இதில் இந்த benzalidine diacetate எழுதுறது தான் கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக எழுதணும். benzene ring போடணும். 2 hydrogen have gone, so only 1 hydrogen will be present with this carbon. So therefore benzene ring with this what? benzene ring with CH, and then what I have? 1 oxygen. one oxygen போயிடுச்சு, remaining 1 oxygen. That oxygen and this oxygen I have added here. Remaining COCH3, then COCH3 I have written. So this is called as what? Benzalidine diacetate. On hydrolysis with water, it gave rise to the formation of benzaldehyde. So this is called as what? Oxidation method by using acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride, why we are using is, this acetic anhydride further prevents the oxidation of aldehydes to carboxylic acid. Acetic anhydride the role of acetic anhydride. Why we are using acetic anhydride அப்படின்னா, it prevents the conversion of benzaldehyde, that is C6H5CHO benzaldehyde to C6H5COH benzoic acid. COH is carboxylic acid. So aldehyde இருந்து carboxylic acid form ஆகிறத prevent பண்ணிடும். அப்போ நம்ம benzaldehyde ஓட reaction stop பண்ணுறதுக்கு தான் we are using this acetic anhydride. This is the oxidation method அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Next one what we have is the Etort's reaction. What is the next reaction we have? That is Etort reaction. Now we will see that. Etort reaction we have to take, for Etort reaction also we have to take same, we can take toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride. So what we have to do for Etort reaction, listen, simple reaction, this is Etort reaction. So same, we will take toluene. We have to take toluene. This toluene has to be treated with CrO2Cl2. This is called as chromyl chloride. This is called as chromyl chloride. And this mixtures of chromyl chloride and this toluene, this is toluene, has to be passed into that of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride with carbon disulfide gas. It has to be passed into that of carbon tetrachloride and carbon disulfide gas, and as a result it directly converts toluene into aldehyde. Directly converts into benzaldehyde. Directly it converts into benzaldehyde. நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஸோ என்ன எழுதுகிறோம்? toluene on treatment with what? Toluene on treatment with chromyl chloride. Then it gave rise to the formation of, in the presence of carbon tetrachloride and carbon disulfide gas, it gave rise to the formation of benzaldehyde. So the reagent தான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். chromyl chloride அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம ப்ராக்டிக்கலுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடியது. For the confirmation of the acid radical chlorineக்கு chromyl chloride டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவோம் லேபில். for the confirmation of the acid radical which is a chlorineக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய டெஸ்ட் தான் என்னது? chromyl chloride டெஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். அந்த chromyl chloride reagent நம்ம toluene மிக்ஸ் பண்ண உடனே the toluene which is an aromatic hydrocarbon gets converted into that of the benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is what Etort's reaction. And the next reaction what we have is the Gattermann-Koch reaction. So for Gattermann-Koch reaction we have to take the aromatic hydrocarbon. That aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. This benzene on further treatment with that of the Lewis acid, that is aluminum chloride, in the presence of see, for example, we'll take Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch for Gattermann-Koch reaction we have to take the aromatic hydrocarbon. Directly we can take only the benzene. இங்க நம்ம CH3 எடுத்து toluene ஆக்கிட்டோம். Here we have taken only this benzene, isn't it? This benzene has to be treated with anhydrous Lewis acid, that is aluminum chloride, and then it should be passed into that of the carbon monoxide gas in the presence of hydrochloric acid. இந்த reagents எல்லாம் கரெக்டாக ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். அதுதான் இதில் மார்க்கே. ஸோ Gattermann-Koch reactionல anhydrous aluminum chloride with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid, it converts, these reagents converts this benzene into aldehyde, benzaldehyde. Okay, this is a Gattermann-Koch reaction. And the last reaction which we have is the preparation of ketone. So for the preparation of the ketone also, it's a very, very simple reaction, the preparation of ketone, that is preparation of aromatic ketone. So preparation of aromatic ketone is the last reaction we will see. Preparation of aromatic ketone. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, preparation of aromatic aldehyde mudijudhu, aromatic ketone. So for the preparation of aromatic ketone, we have a naming reaction which they will ask you in the examination, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So for this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, first we have to take benzene on treatment with benzoyl chloride. Name of the compound is benzoyl in the presence of electron pair acceptor, which is anhydrous aluminum chloride. In the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Now what happens, from here one hydrogen and this Cl will get removed as hydrogen chloride. So what is the product? Benzene ring. அங்கே ஹைட்ரஜன் இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் ஆன இடத்துல this CO with இந்த benzene ring, I can write it as what? C6H form ஆகுமா? Name of this compound is called as benzophenone. இது aromatic ring benzo, and this is phenone, ketone, ONE முடிஞ்சா வேறு ketone இல்லையா? So benzophenone has been formed. So this is the last preparation of the aromatic ketones. So we will check now என்னென்ன reactions எல்லாம் we have covered so far பாருப்பேன். So preparation of aldehydes and ketones, listen, we will recapitulate what we have done so far. So preparation of alcohols, ஏற்கனவே from the alcohols we have prepared aldehydes and ketones already over, and from acids also yesterday we have done, from acid chloride also we have studied yesterday. So all these three reactions we have done, and today ozonolysis reaction I have written on the board, and for alkenes by hydration method I have written on the board, and from cyano group also I have written on the board. Then preparation of only aldehyde, we have Stephen's reaction, and by using Diebold reagent, both the reactions I have written on the board. Then preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones, oxidation, Etort's reaction, Gattermann-Koch reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, all these four reactions also have written on the board. So all your preparations are over, and now the left out portions which you have in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids பார்த்தனா இன்னும் carboxylic acid preparation குள்ள நம்ம வரவே இல்லை, வெறும் aldehydes and ketones. Now we have to study the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones, and then various chemical properties. எல்லாமே reactions எல்லாமே என்னென்ன படிக்கணும்னு yesterday I have written, chemical reactions என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னுட்டு எல்லா reactionsயும் we have to write. We'll continue in the next class, and see to that you are taking down everything in your classwork notebook. நான் எல்லா சாப்டர்ஸ்க்குமே சொல்லிட்டே தான் இருக்கேன், ஏன்னா புக்கை வச்சு படிக்க முடியாது. So take down everything in your classwork notebook and ensure that you are submitting your classwork notebook on the day of the open day which you are conducting on December 5. The same day I need all of you to submit your classwork notebook. Understand what I am telling? Classwork notebooks la edha reactions puriyala theriyala appadina you leave space, you keep as such and bring it to me, meet me in person, and wherever you have difficulties I will teach you, again I will fill and give you. Okay, I myself will write in your classwork notebook and I will give you. So I want all of you to bring your classwork notebook and see to that you are writing everything in your classwork notebook. Thank you.